Hi, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to talk about my research proposal. My research question is how work-related variables influence mental health in the United States. Mental health is how we think, how we act, and it's important because without good mental health, people get in trouble. In the report, trends in state suicide rates in the United States contributing to suicide. Still analyze data from the National Vita Stats system. They conclude that suicide rates in the United States have risen nearly 30% from 1999, and mental health conditions are one of the several factors contributing to the suicide. Also, in the paper Mental Disorder and Crime Evidence, the author compared the criminal conviction record of people who had been admitted to psychiatric wards versus people who had not been admitted to the psychiatric ward. They conclude that women and men who had been hospitalized in psychiatric wards were more likely to have been convicted a criminal offense than persons with no history. Although mental health is a serious problem in the society, people have not yet paid much attention to it. In the United States, according to US News, over 44 million American adults have mental health issues and 54.4% of them are not receiving any treatment. The dependent variable is people's mental health condition, and the independent variable are work-related variables such as income or work environments. My hypothesis is that people with good work status, better working environment, and worker welfare would have less risks of having a mental health problem in the United States. Data for this study will be collected through Amazon's Mechanical Turk because it is a reliable way to collect data with good quality. Threshold would be set to only include population in the United States. Participants will be asked to answer a series of questions. Firstly, they will be complete a 12-item version of general health questionnaire, and survey questions similar to general social survey will be asked and recorded. The dependent variable mental health condition will be assessed by the result of 12 items version of the general health questionnaires. The variable will be set up to a binary variables with either high risk of mental health problem or low risk. Independent variable would be assessed by the Likert scale from GSS questions. The data from the survey would be imported to R after they properly cleaned and adjusted. Different type of model would be fitted, and the result from the best performance model will be analyzed. The final model that supports hypothesis would show a rather large adjusted R-square, which means a large portion of variation of mental health condition is explained by variables related to job status, work environment, and worker welfare and salary. The residuals should show a random pattern around zero, which indicates the variance is constant and the model fits well. The p-value of the independent variable should be less than significant level, which means they are statistically significant in the model. The sign of the coefficient for the independent variable should be coherent to the hypothesis. All the independent variable should be negatively correlated to the risk of having mental health issue. Favorable job status, better work environment, work welfare, and salary would lower the risk of having mental health problem instead.